how to share screen on Google Meet. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll teach you how you can share screen on Google Meet. So first things first, the first step is to launch your Google Meet application, just like I've done here. And then the next step is for you to join a call, all right? And how do you do so? You can decide to join a call by creating a new call by moving to the bottom right corner of the screen or by rejoining any of the meetings that has been created and is still ongoing. Okay? So for me, I decided to rejoin a meeting as you can see here. And so as the host, I have the ability to share my screen directly from joining the meeting. But if you're not the host of a meeting and you want to share your screen, the first step would be for you to join the meeting by moving to the bottom part of the screen and click on join. And so after joining the meeting and you're brought to the meetings page, the next step would be for you to move to the bottom right corner of the screen. By the bottom part of the screen, you would see some icons, right? Just move to the bottom right corner and click on the three vertical dots. By doing that, some options will be displayed. Among these options, you will see the option share screen. Just go ahead and click on share screen, and then you can be able to share your screen. You can decide to share your device's audio as well. Click on continue, and then your screen would be shared. All right, so once this prompt is displayed, click on start now and you'll be able to share your screen. So this is how it works. Okay, this is how you can share screen on Google Meet, both on your phone and on your computer device. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.